Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and
I'm Roxy.
This is my granddaughter Roxy, and we are here. We got a fun box. Now she's been filming with me today. This is our third video we're filming. The first video she picked out my makeup from a large selection of makeup and would have probably never done the combination she picked, but I end up loving it. So look at this, she gave me the blue look since I had blue on, and she put makeup on. So anyway, we've had a fun time already. So you'll need to check out all of our videos. So, but look what I got in the mail. What did we get? Ipsy, and this is called Boxycharm. And we just filmed the glam bag, so now we're filming this one. And so let's get to it. All right, friends. Okay, do you want to pull things out and I'll tell about them? Okay, so this month, their theme is Passport to Glow. So I like it, the passport, travel and glowing for summer. So I thought that was a cute theme. It says vacay-worthy makeup, refreshing skincare, and transportive scents. So there's that. It talks about a sneak peek of August lineup. There you go, if you want to take a sneak peek of that. And so anyway, they got Ipsy Beauty Awards they've done for the year and whatnot. So that's the pamphlet. I don't have my list here of what I got, so I'm just gonna wing it here, but she's gonna show us our products. So what do we got first?
Then Make-It.
Il Maquillage. This was a power pick. They picked this for me. Not a huge fan of mascaras. I have so many and I have so many favorites, but I do like Il Maquillage. This one is a real fine. I'll see how this works. I don't know. This might be a good first base. And then
I have a lot of mascara too.
Yeah, you have a lot of mascara?
Yeah.
Yeah, this girl does performing, dancing, singing, plays. So she's used to makeup herself. So my second power pick is this one. She's going to show us, or let's take the wrapper off and you can show what that's all about. Okay.
Ooh, the color, some of the colors are pretty.
It's a palette, and who's it? Can you read the front?
Oh, there's tape.
Yeah. Can you read this?
Laurageller.
So it's from Laurageller. And
I
it is.
You pronounced it right.
She did pretty good. Okay, let's take a look at this eyeshadow palette. I just got a Laurageller palette recently too in a box a few months ago, and I didn't really love it. This one's probably similar. It's a nice palette. Okay, so this is the Laurageller palette, and it's just neutrals. Not my favorite. I'm sure just because I have so many palettes, but so this may end up in a giveaway, but it's really pretty. So, and Laurageller does make good makeup. So that was my second pick from Ipsy.
Favorite is
she likes to look at the names. Aster.
This is Aster.
Okay.
I like their names because they're like Poppy, Daisy,
so they're
flower.
Kind of flower names, so that's kind of fun. So the next, here's one of my picks. The first one we're pulling out is, this is from Danessa Myricks, and this is the Evolution Powder. I might have got this mixed up with one of my add-ons.
It's fun.
Okay, we got this one open, and maybe open. So this is a powder from Danessa Myricks. I love Danessa Myricks products. This actually is a translucent. It's a light. It's a white. So I'm not sure how much I'll love that, but it had some good things to say about it. How it absorbs into the skin, and it also has some. It says Evolution Power, but anyway, it has some good skin. Let's see, it has skincare in it, and it says it's just supposed to absorb and it keeps your makeup set for a long time. So anyway, that's one Danessa Myricks. The next thing we have here, Roxy pulled it out of the box.
This is beauty within a holistic approach that awakens and livens alchemists.
Livens.
Yeah, that's probably right.
Okay, so this is Grown Alchemist, and it's a serum that does what she just said. So anyway, there's that. This actually was my power pick. So this was an extra $15, but this product is worth a lot more than that. So it's, I think it's like 60 or 70. Yeah, she knows it's a lot more. Anyway, so there's that. The next product we have here is another a pick that I picked, and this one is,
oh yeah, that one's like my favorite.
She said this is her favorite. I wonder why, because it's pink, and actually I really like this. So I did get a brush set. Sometimes if my picks, I'll pick brushes if I don't love all the other picks.
Secret surprise inside.
So they have it has 3 brushes, 4 brushes. That's it. So 4 brushes. It's a great set for the eyes. All these are the kind I like to use, and I love that it's in this little pouch.
I think the pouch should be like a person.
The pouch is adorable. So definitely great for travel. So anyway, there's one of my, that's another pick of mine. Oh, that's a Grown Alchemist. Okay, do I have one more item in there?
Yes, it's Chica Beauty.
It's from Chica Beauty, and it is a highlighter. So there it is.
No, another.
And it's a highlighter stick, and I really like this. I picked this because I like that it had, you know, I like to wear like a wet and a dry kind of thing. But anyway, so it has the highlighter stick, and then it also has an applicator for a highlighter brush. So
ooh, shiny.
yeah, shiny. It's not, it's kind of a fun product, but it's not exactly like what I expected.
Yeah.
But it does have a nice little shimmer to it.
Shimmer, shine, shimmer, shine.
So
shimmer,
their picks for me were these 2. And then I got, my picks were the brushes, the highlighter, and the Danessa Myricks powder. So there's my box, and then on top of that we have the Grown Alchemist. So there's that. And now we're gonna go to add-ons. We have several add-ons. So sometimes I just get these because they're inexpensive. This is a lip, kind of a lip glow.
I like it because it's pink and squishy.
Do you know what it says? I can't read it.
It's blush.
No. Oh, the color's blush.
Yeah.
You're right. Do you know the brand?
Hi, Katsuno Beauty Hydrating Lip Glaze.
Okay. So, Katano Beauty, I think. Anyway, so there's that. The next thing I have is Kiss and Smink. This, I gave my granddaughter one that I really liked, and so I got another one. This was like a $3 item. But I don't know if they're the same colors, are they?
They are.
They're the same colors. So now we both have one. So anyway, and she did this on her hand for another video we had recently. But anyway, so this was another like $3 item. So another item I have here is Amalfi Gold. Now this is from Dew of the Gods, and I'm thinking this is a hair oil.
Grade
yep,
hair.
It's a hair serum. So anyway, just a little tiny sample. Got that. Another item I got was a liquid eyeshadow from Misho Beauty, and I believe I have some of these, so I don't know what color this is. We'll take a look at it, and then Roxy's going to show us something in a minute. Okay, so it's just a real pretty neutral eyeshadow.
Let's
see. It's kind of a neutral brownie color. I don't know if you can even see it.
Yeah, it looks less brown on camera. It's weird.
Yeah, it doesn't. You don't.
Oh, now that you put it back, it looks.
Yeah, it shows up more when you move your hand. But anyway.
Ooh.
Okay, so there's that.
Okay. So I like this one, and it means so much to them to tell us that it's not a perfume. So it writes it on each individual side and even right here.
I don't know why they say that because it really is a perfume, right?
Yeah, they just want to lie to people that much.
What is the brand?
It's Juliet has a gun.
Juliet has a gun, and it's Juliet has a gun, not a perfume. This is that's what the name is called. So anyway, you want to try some on you? Do you smell it?
It smells good.
It smells good. I've liked this. That's why I picked it up. It was in the it was in the cheapy products. So I have had this before, and so picked that up. And then I also picked up in the cheapy items this Elemis perfume. Elemis, not perfume. It's not. This is not a perfume. This is Elemis. It's an eye cream, and actually, I might have paid like $6 for this. I like it. It has the. Let's see.
The weird thing is that the perfumes
It's
say
just
they're
like
not
this.
perfumes, but the non-perfumes don't say that. It's weird.
Okay, so this is Elemis. So it's the peptide eye recovery cream. So I love Elemis. I use a lot of Elemis skincare products. That'll just add to my collection. I haven't used this yet. So, and it was, all these were like $3. This was $6. So I usually just buy the little cheapy sample things when they have the add-ons. The last add-on I have, okay, I finally got this Laurageller's palette open. It was tricky. Why are things so hard to open? But anyway, there it is. It's just a small palette. Great for travel. And let's see what's inside. Oh, okay. I lied. I totally messed up this video. This actually was one of my picks. The Danessa Myricks I did pick up in the, I think I spent $12 on it. I wanted it. I picked this up in the shop. This Laurageller it's a cream to powder palette, face palette. It's got a couple of blush colors and a highlighter. So anyway, I liked this because it was the cream to powder and I wanted to try it. So actually the face brushes, and what was the other thing I picked? The highlighter. So those were my picks. Ipsy's picks, once again, was the eyeshadow palette and the Il Maquillage mascara. So we have that. That's my bag, and then also I got the Beauty Boost from Grown Alchemist. So there's that. So the rest were all these were all my add-ons. My Juliet has a gun, and the hair oil, and the lip oil, and what is this? Anyway.
Is that how she got to Romeo?
Eyeshadow.
She used her gun.
So anyway, there it is. That's it for my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Thank you, Roxy, for helping me. This was our third video. She was getting a little bit silly in it now. Anyway, so go check out my other videos I did with Roxy. I don't know what order they're going to be in, but we've got 3 videos with Roxy. So anyway, thank you guys for being here. I'm sorry if this was a little bit scattered. I'm going to try to post information when I put out this video. So, but thank you for being here. I'd love it if you subscribe, hit the like button, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, support.
Touch, touch, touch.
Yep, all you have to do is hit it. and support my channel, that would be great. So thank you. We'll see you guys all in the next one.
Yay!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.